Whoa. Oh my god. Oh, she's juicing up now. Looks like I've added 3 ounces. Cool. Whoa. So you're gonna fix the bottom vice grip to the bottom half. This is a connection. And you can take these, pull them hard as you can towards you. Lefty-loosey. This I might just leave on here for the guy who's coming to get this whole thing for 60 bucks. Had to drill these holes. And it took a while because it was 2 pieces of wood. So I'm gonna run the duct right into this one, and that's it. It's cold as hell. It must be full of water now.
I'm still gonna research. Yeah, sure, yeah, research.
All the connections are good. Had to add an extra bit of Teflon tape to those connections. And tighten these pretty tight, but everything's good. Now I just cut the gas line, cut the gas off with a Sawzall blade and water sprayed on it. I'm gonna put a little fitting right here. Pliers. The gas hose is gonna need this flared connection so that it has a fit that's tight. I'm just gonna line this duct up here, right where I want it. So awesome product. You can just touch it to set the temperature and it'll get up to that temperature when it's working, and this is the power button and that's it. And it can go up to 65, which would put it at like 150 degrees. That's beyond hot.